and this line, this angle also, it is an extension of the line connecting here from here. Okay, here from here, an extension line. But this point is the distance. This distance. The point is this distance. This point is dividing the distance. This distance into two. And this point is this post's corner of this post. で、it is an extension of the line connecting here from here. Okay, this side is same. Okay. これで this is almost the size of torii gate. So anyway, you have to decide the distance between the post, the post. If you can, this distance, you can calculate this. Okay. This is the size of torii gate.